leave you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love.
Beat it up, Mike.
And I'm back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and also turn on post notifications so you can be notified of my next post. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am doing another hair video because it's been a while and I just wanted to do something quick, something slight today, which is my favorite hairstyle after cornrows: a slick back, no part, low bun. You know, I do this hairstyle, I don't want to say almost every day because that's unhealthy for your hair, but I do it often and it's really cute, really sleek, and I feel like it makes me look older a little bit in a way. I don't know, it's just so cute. I just wanted to show you guys how I do it, how I mastered it with the edges, blah blah blah. So before we get into the video, I just want to show you guys all the products that you will need to do this hairstyle. Okay, so first you'll need a brush, like a paddle brush or a detangling brush, jamming brush, big comb, I don't know, whatever you use to detangle your hair. Then you'll need a hard brush and a soft brush. The hard brush is to get that hair back, and then the soft brush is to smoothen it out, you feel me? Make it look nice and sleek. Then to slick the hair, you use your edge control or gel, whichever you choose to use. I use Hicks Edge Control because number one, it's not really hard in my hair. It holds it down really, really good. But then when it's time to take your hair out, it's not all stiff and stuff, and it's really soft. Like your hair is still soft after you take it out. So that's why I use this. It's really healthy for your hair supposedly. And yeah, it doesn't cause any breakage and all things like that. Then you're gonna need some edge control for your baby hairs. You know, I use Edge Booster. I usually get these little ones because I don't like to put Edge Booster in my hair because it gets white and hard, like yeah. So I use Edge Booster for my edges, make them nice and stiff right there. And then lastly, your edge brush, of course, because you need to swoop them hair, you feel me? And yeah, that's it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out all of my braids so I can begin my hairstyle. Now that all of my braids are out, I'm going to brush my hair back so that I can start molding the hairstyle. Then I'm going to get my soft brush and just smoothen out my hair so that there won't be any bumps. Now I'm going to just go in with my hard brush to make sure my hair is extra smooth. After that, I'm going to use my Hicks Edge Control to slick my hair down. And what I do is I rub it in my palm so that I can evenly disperse it throughout my hair. Then I take my soft brush again and I go in a swooping motion to brush my hair back. It makes my hairline look a little cleaner and my forehead look a little less big. And I'm going to use my hard brush again just to ensure that my hair is very slick. As you can see here, I just switched between both brushes when trying to do this hairstyle, just so my hair doesn't have any lumps or, extra edge control caked up in my hair. I just want to make sure it looks perfect. And then I add a little bit more edge control because I don't want any flyaways and things like that. You also got to make sure to get that kitchen. I put a little bit of edge control on the back of my hair so that it can look nice and neat back there. No peas and stuff. Now I'm going to take my hair tie and wrap it around until it feels secure. I think I wrapped it like 3 times so that it's not too tight but not too loose. Now I'm going to take my ponytail and wrap it around into a bun. And to secure it, I just use another hair tie and wrap it around twice. As y'all can see, I use the brush a lot for this hairstyle because it's supposed to look as slick as possible. But now I'm just going to go in with my edge brush, take down all my edges, and do my baby hairs. Now I'm going in with my edge booster edge control, and this edge control makes sure that my baby hairs do not move all day. Now I'm doing my baby hairs. I'm gonna add some swoops, a couple swirls, and whatnot, just to jazz up the hairstyle a little bit and make it look a little more cute. The edges I'm doing happen to be my everyday style edges. I feel like it fits my face pretty well, so I don't change it up often, but maybe I might in the future, spice it up a little bit, but yeah. Okay, so now that my edges are done and swooped and cute, I'm gonna add a little scrunchie on the back, a black one, just so it can match my shirt and also kind of hold my bun together a little more, and then go back with the brush again. Now, to make sure that my hair lays right and doesn't get frizzy, I'm gonna tie my hair down. And I'm gonna leave it on for about 20 minutes. I know y'all saw how clean that transition was, but this is the hairstyle. I love how it came out on me. Very cute, very sleek, and that is exactly why it's one of my favorite hairstyles. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's tutorial and loved the hairstyle. Gonna do another 360 for you guys so you can see it again. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, turn on post notifications so you can be notified of my next post. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video.